Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing well, doing good and doing great. Before starting the video, greeting is more important. So I hope you all are well. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. God bless you all. Today I am presenting beautiful short bob quick style haircut ideas, which are some of straight, some of are layered, some of are undercut, some of are chin length, some of with bangs, some of them are without bangs, and these all haircut ideas are really gorgeous, outstanding, mind blowing. That will watching them they will enhance you to get them as early as possible as watch them. So ladies, don't waste the time, just go to your hairstylist by taking a screenshot of your favorite hairstyle with fashion hair color which I am presenting in this video, and take this and get this hairstyle as early as possible as you watch them, and let me know also through comment section that what haircut and what hairstyle and what hair color you select for yourself. Well, you go on with your base color as well. It's depend on you which color you select for yourself and which color and style and haircut suits with your personality, because you know yourself than anyone else. You know that what kind of haircut and hairstyle suits you. While I am presenting all the beautiful hairstyle and haircuts which are going on trending according to your personality as well. You can select according to your personality. If you like the video, you can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way, they will get updated with fashion and trend. The one thing is most important and very good thing in this video, that you don't need to style them for a long time. After getting this hairstyle, you will be ready to go anywhere anytime, like functions, kitty parties, you can go public places, you can go in receptions and weddings as well, you can go to offices, to colleges, to fashion shows, anywhere. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support keep me energetic and boost me to make video for you guys according to your choice. It's really pleasure for me to make video for you guys according to your choice, and it's really happiness for me when you like my video and comment my video and appreciate and share my video as well. So guys, I will be there in next video with one of your and other favorite topic. Till then, take yourselves. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you all, and again don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. And have a great hair day.